Hello, everybody, and welcome back to another edition of Flyer Update. I'm Mark Deal with Flyer Media Productions, and today I'm joined by Dr. Knight Principal Larry Edgerton. Good morning, Larry.
Good morning.
Today we'd just like to highlight some things and changes and new things that are happening up at Dr. Knight and Randall. And so to get started, Larry, how about let's just talk about some new staff that are to the school.
Yeah, we have one new staff member this year. This person is Jessica Peterson. She will be the band director for all three elementary schools and then also general music out at Dr. Knight.
And she comes with some prior experience and background, I know.
She does, and she's coming from the Brainerd Lakes area, and then her husband is also the existing high school band teacher. So looking forward to having Jessica as a part of our staff.
The music runs in the family over there, huh?
It must.
All right. How about let's talk about, you've got a new math curriculum going on out there. Want to talk a little bit about that?
Certainly. The district has purchased iReady Math and will be implemented this school year. We're looking forward to this new program, and I know the teachers have been working on it this summer as far as trying to get things figured out of what manipulatives they'll need to support the curriculum and kind of working out of how does it look during the school year. And so it'll be a learning year, and once we figure out this whole program and what it offers, but we're excited for a new program.
It's great. And you've also got a few little renovation projects happening out at Dr. Knight. You want to just touch base on those?
Yeah, it seems to be the theme every year. We always have a few little projects. Some notable ones that you will see in the building is window shades were installed in every classroom. And this is obviously to help keep the building a little cooler, but it's also for safety. And we have some little trinkets being installed in the gym, some mats along the wall, plus we're waiting for a new stage curtain to arrive and to be installed. And then we just have some things that the general public won't see, and there's just some plumbing work that's going on.
Great. So Larry, as you think about this upcoming school year, what are the things that excite you the most for Dr. Knight?
This time of the year, the thing that excites me most is getting people back in the building. You look down those hallways, which were renovated within the last 5 years of new flooring, and when they get all waxed and shiny, everything looks so nice and inviting. And but it's still not a school until you get those students in the building. And so that's what I'm probably looking forward to the most, is having kids back in the building and just getting the school year on.
Yeah, there's a certain energy and life that those kids bring to the building, that's for sure, and it's fun to have that back.
That's why we're here.
Yep. Well, thank you, Larry, for joining us to talk about Dr. Knight and share some of the updates going on out in Randall.
You're welcome.